What do you think?
So I'm very much satisfied with the results. Just 6 months after the transplant, and the results are very satisfactory. The hairs are growing well.
He's 45 years old and has hair loss for the last 12 to 15 years. When he came to see us about 6 months ago, he had a Norwood FUE pattern, as you can see, having lost the front of the scalp, and he was quite bothered by it. And this is more 6 months later. You can see that the front has filled in. Chin down a bit. Exceptionally well. Natural hairline, very good density for 6 months. Chin down, sir. And you can see how imperceptibly this merges with his existing hair, which is about here. You can see you can sense that this is his original hair. This is the transplanted hair. And if you turn around, let's look at the back, please. And this is the FUE, so you can see that there's no scarring. It's a good uniform regrowth. So Mo, what do you can fit? What do you think?
So I'm very much satisfied with the results. It's just 6 months after the transplant, and the results are very satisfactory. The hairs are growing well and merging with the existing hairs. So I'm very much pleased with the procedure, and yeah, I'm happy.
What comments have you had from family, friends?
So the family is also very much pleased with the transition from this picture that the doctor just displayed, and they are happy with the results as well, especially my wife who used to see me like this before. So yeah, everyone is happy. My kids, they are very happy seeing the transition from that to this, so everyone is happy.
Has it had an effect on your confidence and how you approach things?
Absolutely, yeah. So this added a lot of confidence as I'm doing a high level job in the company, so this added a lot of confidence with these transition. I'm now feeling more confident in talks, meeting people, so that added a lot of more confidence in my everyday meetings and all that stuff.
Makes you look a lot younger, eh?
Yeah.
And what advice would you have to somebody thinking about a transplant?
Sorry, what?
What advice would you give to somebody who's considering a hair transplant?
So before, when I met with Dr. Gupta, I was thinking how this procedure would go, but when I met with him, he gave me a lot of confidence about the procedure as well, that this will be an easy procedure, don't worry about that. And then I decided okay, I should take this procedure and go with it. And I will give an advice to all those who are thinking about it. With Dr. Gupta, it will be a very easy procedure. So if you guys are thinking about going through this procedure, come here, meet Dr. Gupta, take a decision and go with it. It will be a very easy procedure, and you will be happy with the results.
And the name of the clinic was?
FUE Hair Transplant, Scarborough location.